that sleep won't come and you've cried your sum, let it come to you. There's nothing you can do until I see you smile just below those eyes that tell me you're okay.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Ashley, and in today's video I am redoing this hutch that I got back when we used to live in Okinawa. It is this teal blue color, and although it is a pretty color, it is definitely not my type of style to go for in our home. So I was gifted some paint from my sweet friend Allie, and I started working on this project. I could no longer look at this blue cabinet in my home. This house is I need to get used to it because everything feels so dark. So with all of my moody colors, as you know, I love moody European style colors, and the house is already really dark. I feel like, because I felt so out of place, having this blue hutch in the corner of my house just made me feel even worse, if that even makes sense. But I decided to paint it this beautiful sagey green color. I'm not really sure the name of the paint, but I will ask my friend Allie and I will put it on the description box below. But I know that it is by the brand Valspar. This paint is absolutely phenomenal. It feels like it has like some type of grip or like primer, and I love it so much. I am going to definitely try more colors in the future on future projects, but this paint is really great. So if you have not tried this brand, I definitely recommend it. I didn't have my paint sprayer at this moment because I accidentally broke it with the garage door. I left it on the floor, came back, and I had closed the garage on the actual paint sprayer. So on that day I was not able to use it, but I had all of my stuff ready for this project, and then I ended up using this roller, which, you guys, this is one coat, and you can see how pigmented and opaque this paint is. I ended up going in with 2 coats, with 3 coats, but I feel like I could have gotten away with 2. So definitely keep that in mind. Actually my birthday was last weekend, I think. So my husband gifted me a really good paint sprayer by Wagner. It was on my list, and he was so sweet and kind to gift it to me. So I cannot wait to use that in a future project with you guys. So for now, I have this small project, and I'm just so happy with how it turned out. I'm going to leave you guys here for you guys to listen to some music while I paint. I know I love watching videos when people just paint, so I thought I would come up here and talk to you guys just a little bit because I feel like I haven't in a while. So yeah, I will leave you guys here, and then I will see you guys once we start decorating this hutch.
When that sleep won't come and you've cried your sum, let it come to you. There's nothing you can do until I see you smile just below those eyes that tell me you're okay. It's written on your face. As you come to light, I come alive, your silhouette in the summer sky. But this is only a measure. It can only get better. It can only get better. And this is only a measure. It can only get better. It can only get better. Turn your sorrow in, burn every piece of it. Let me comfort you, I'll be your go-to. 'Cause these are youthful days, we will grow in great, worse or better. Our time is best together. You must know that I love you so, never bargain you for your weight in gold. And this is only a measure. It can only get better. It can only get better. And this is only a measure. It can only get better. It can only get better.
I had lots of fun redoing this hutch, painting it and decorating it. It just brought back memories from when I used to do projects like these. I hope you guys got inspired by my video, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I will see you guys on my next video, God willing. Until then, God bless you guys. Bye!